Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check serial number on your headphones REALME Buds T110. So basically I'm trying to find it in the application and they didn't add it. Maybe in the future updates they will add it. And also I check on the box of the headphones and I also can find it. So the one options is to open the charging case, remove the headphones, and right here I will zoom it to you. Right here in the bottom we have SN, what means serial number, so we can check a serial number here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!